Good morning, guys, and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 23 odds for you. Um, I believe today game will bring good tidings to your storehouse. So let's get started. The first game we have today is a game in Finland where Saps is taking on Japs, and my prediction is something win at full time. The next one we have is a game still in Finland division where Milakosen is taking on FC Futura. My prediction is home team win at full time. Next one we have here is a game in the Estonia, where Javid Trans is taking on Corusera. My prediction is home team win at full time. We have another game here in South Africa, where Richard Bay FC is taking on Boroka. My prediction is home team win. The next one we have is in South Korea, where FC Seoul is taking on Gangwon FC, and my prediction is home team win. If you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp and join the VIP and you won't regret it. Okay, my subscription fee for the VIP is very affordable. So I'll see you there. Okay, this is the booking code for this game. Always remember to bet responsibly. If you're not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game. There are very few, 5 games in total. So select it in your local bookie and play them. Thank you, and I wish you good luck, and remember to bet responsibly.